Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this question from functions. For the function f of x is equal to 3 minus 2 raised to power negative x, find f of 0. So we have the function f of x is given by 3 minus 2 raised to power negative x. So f of 0 just means we substitute the value of x as 0 to get the value of that function. So we're going to have 3 minus 2 raised to power negative 0, which is just raised to power 0. And from the laws of indices, a number raised to power 0 is the same as 1. So we can apply that here. So it means we have 3 minus 1, which is just the same as 2. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to Calvin's Online Math.